Duckling looking for mother. One morning, a little yellow duckling woke up all alone in his nest. "I must find my mom," the brave little duckling said as he waddled away. The duckling met a big brown horse munching on grass in the meadow. "You my mommy?" asked the duckling hopefully. "Nay, no, little one, your mommy has brown feathers and says quack," the horse explained kindly. Next, the duckling found a black and white cow in the field. "My mommy?" the little duck wondered. "Moo, no, do your mommy has an orange beak and loves to swim," said the cow with a smile. The duckling spotted a fluffy white sheep grazing nearby. "Are you my mommy?" he asked the sheep. "Baa, no, sweetie, your mommy has webbed feet and can fly in the sky," the sheep replied. Pig rolled happily in the mud as the duckling approached. "Are you my mommy?" asked the tired little duck. "Oink! No, your mommy loves swimming in the pond," the pig told him with a friendly laugh. Suddenly, a happy quack, quack, echoed across the farm. Here was his mommy with brown feathers, an orange beak, and webbed feet. "Mommy, I found you," the little duckling cheered joyfully. The little duckling knew his mommy was the most special duck in the whole world.